my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to install and run C or C++ program on your MacBook. Okay, for that you need to have a code editor. So why you need to have code editor? It becomes easier to code on the software like code editor. Okay, so for that you need to have code editor like VS Code, and after installing VS Code you need to install GCC for your C or C++ program. So let's install this software. You need to come to this Google and type VS Code for Mac. Okay, after typing this keyword, this keyword, you'll come to this link. Just click on this link and you will come to this interface. Okay, you will see these three options depending upon your system. If you are having Windows, go for and download for Windows. If you are having Linux, just download this. And if since we are having Mac and we are this video especially is for Mac, just click on this link and after depending upon your internet speed, your VS Code will be downloaded on your system. Now, what you need after installing this VS Code, you need to set up GCC. Okay, you need to set up GCC for C or C++. Without GCC, your C or C++ won't work. Okay, so for the GCC, to install GCC, you need to go to this three step. You need to go to terminal and type clang space dash dash version. Okay, if you okay, you type this version. So let's go to terminal. Okay, terminal and type clang version, enter. Okay, so you can, if you I think you're able to see my screen, library developer command line. You since I've already installed GCC in my system, so I'm getting this type of code. But in your case, you might not have set up GCC on your system, so you might be getting uh, some lines like no developer tool are found. Okay, in your case. So what you need to do is you need to come to this terminal and type this code xcode-select space dash dash install and click on enter button. So after clicking on this, so you can, in my case it might be different. So because I have already installed it, so it is showing command line tools are already installed. So okay, so I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing uh, software is already installed. But in your case, what you will find is after clicking, so after typing this code xcode dash select space dash dash install, you will get a pop-up button. You will get a pop-up button with install pop-up button. You need to click on the install button, and depending upon your internet speed, and it will take some time. Okay, after that your GCC will be successfully installed on your Mac. So this is how you can set up C or C++ in your MacBook. So, and remember one thing, after installing, after clicking on the install button, you need just type this code xcode dash select space dash dash install. After clicking on this link, if you are getting this line, command line tools are already installed, that means uh, that means your mm, your your C or C++ has been successfully installed uh, on your MacBook. This is how you can set up and run C or C++ program on your MacBook. Thank you.